now going to weld these two pieces together. I'm going to tack weld the front and I'm going to tack weld the back. That way I can grind it off fairly easily. It's like boiling on the surface there, so I'm pretty sure that's as hot as it's gonna get. The quench. Yeah, I think it's hard. I think once I grind her down, get the slag off, it might just be the slag that I'm biting into. Not wasting time. Set the timer on my phone here for 2 hours and I can grab it.
Precious. Give it to us. Going for it.
Well, I knew when I set out that I was no tool making master, and you can see that right there on the corner of the blade, chipped. So, and along the edge there, it's hard to see in video, but the edge is kind of brittle. Still really sharp, but it's crumbling. Crumbling. So the steel is too hard, too brittle. Even though I tempered it in the oven at 400 for 2 hours, I don't know, maybe I should have gone higher. Though I made a beautiful laminated chisel, I did not make a beautiful laminated chisel that can hold a good edge. So ultimately a failure. Although I did learn a lot, and as we all know, failure is a necessary step in almost every process of life. So I'm glad I got this over with, and maybe I'll have to fail a few more times before I get it right, but yeah, I was really looking forward to using that. It just felt so good in the hand, and oh man. Oh well. If anybody has any information on where I went wrong, I'm pretty sure this is 1095, which is a file, Nicholson file steel that I used, that I laminated to the mild steel, and it's too brittle. I even tried, even after I sharpened it once already and tried it in oak, and it chipped a bit. So then I heated it with a torch until it went to a really dark straw, golden brown color almost, even almost a little bit peacock on the edge. Then I resharpened it, thinking that, okay, maybe that took some of the tension out, and it's still too brittle. So I don't know, is there any salvaging this? If you're a bladesmith and you know what you're talking about, please comment down below. But I'm sure a bunch of armchair professionals will also comment. That's what makes things interesting here on YouTube. Anyways, I look forward to reading your comments on where I shit the bed. This won't be the last chisel I make. I will succeed. But for now, I'm probably just gonna stick to woodworking. Gonna rebuild my ego a little bit before I try smithing another chisel. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful failure as much as I did. And we'll see you in the next video. Samurai out. Take out this actual quality made Japanese chisel and put this little prop in there. You know, there you go. Happy ending. Gotta love it.